Greetings, hobby grots. So today, well, this last weekend, I picked up a Primaris Librarian to flesh out my 2,000 point Primaris Ultramarines army. And so I wanted to do a little unboxing for you. It's a really nice model. So, got the instructions. The standard GW instructions. The kit is really, I can't tell by looking at it. I'll look at the part here in a minute, but I believe this actually is going to have to be painted in assemblies, which would make it easier to prime, because you can prime the cloak in white and then the armor and everything in blue. Comes with the basic rules for the Primaris Librarian, which have been updated in the Space Marine Codex. Cool part is not only does it come with the plane head, you have the option of here of either putting the helmeted head or the plane head on, because God knows I hate bareheaded Space Marines. So now the new character models that they're doing, they're no longer putting them in clam packs. They're now putting them in these little boxes with these really cool plastic containers, and what it does is it clips the sprues in place so they don't shake around. And the clam packs, I had gotten them before, where the plastic is a lot finer than the stuff that they use for the other stuff. It's actually a finer grade of plastic. It actually gets a finer sculpt, and it actually takes a finer level of detail, which is really nice. But it keeps the pieces from crashing together, because last time I've actually had it where it's actually broken bits and pieces in the clam pack. So this is actually really cool. And these have a lot of little bitty bits, little bitty fidgety parts. Force sword. Here's the helmets. Let me see if I can get this in there. Get the two helmets. Let me stick something more or less white behind it. I don't have anything white to stick behind it. Alright. But yeah, you can see here, got the helmeted head, which is really cool because it's got the Aegis nodes all across it. Even the bear head is actually really cool. It's got the Aegis skull cap on. Not a lot of options for posability with these, other than some minor tweaking of the arms. But actually, yeah, just minor. You can pose the arms in different ways. It has the notches in the arms where you can basically point them out, or and you can't really adjust it. You can always shave those off and put those on there the way you want. In addition, it comes with the 40mm base, which is a standard for all Primaris characters. And then on top of that, it also includes a itty bitty decal sheet, which is actually really cool because it's got, in the center here, it's got little trim pieces where you can put it like in the corner of the shoulder pads. It gives you the icon for Lieutenant, which is the skull with the iron halo behind it. Different iconography for a chaplain, specific to the librarian for the apothecary and the captain, which is actually really cool. Now, when I do this, I probably won't use these little decals. I'll probably lose them, but that's okay. So there is the Primaris Librarian. You can see here that the cloak on one part is actually two pieces. So when I put him together, I will be using plastic glue, so I can actually seal those seams up without having to stick any green stuff in there. Put him back in his boxes. He won't be getting painted until after I do my next. I'm going to do my next repulsor first, and then the squad and character that'll go with it, and that'll be this. And the next one I do for the character kits will be the apothecary. That looks to be a really cool model in the game. So hope you enjoyed. This is a really cool kit. Nice. The shoulder pad is plain on the left side, so you can put your own chapter icon on there, or it's I believe it's molded separately. Yeah, it's molded separately, so you can take embossed shoulder pads from your own chapter and put them on. So unlike a lot of the character kits which have the Ultramarines, they send you with the Ultramarines decals, but you can use any one of your surplus decals from one of your other kits if you have some of the old sheets like me to to basically make him whatever chapter you want. And at least it's not the same goofy pose as the powered armor librarian. He's holding a stick, and I've never really liked the staves, although game-wise staves are actually pretty cool. So, and there we go. So hope you enjoyed.